Let's compare the three prompting styles that we discussed so far. Zero shot prompting. In this, you just give the question, the AI gives a direct answer. It's best for simple tasks. Few shot prompting. Here you give the question along with a few examples. The AI then learns from the examples and gives an answer. It's best for tasks with a specific pattern or style. Last is chain of thought prompting. Here you give the question and ask it to explain step by step. The AI then thinks step by step and explain its reasoning. It's best for complex tasks or those needing logical thinking. Let's try to understand this through a common example. Here we will use this scenario. You have a 5 GB data plan. You use 2 GB watching videos. How much data is left? We have zero shot prompting. You just give the question with no examples or instructions, like you have a 5 GB data plan, you use 2 GB, how much is left? The AI will give you a direct answer like 3 GB. This style is quick and works best for simple tasks. Next style is few shot prompting. Here you will give the question along with a few examples to show a pattern. Prompt is like you have 4 GB and you use 1 GB, so 3 GB is left. Now you have 5 GB and you use 2 GB, then how much is left? The AI learns the pattern from the example and gives the answer. AI's response is 3 GB. This is useful when the task has a consistent style or format. Finally, we have chain of thought prompting. You ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. The prompt that you can use is, you have a 5 GB data plan. You use 2 GB. How much is left? Explain step by step. The AI walks through the logic and finally gives the response as, start with 5 GB, use 2 GB, 5 minus 2 equals 3 GB. This style is helpful for complex questions or tasks needing logical thinking.